Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Today we'll discuss about one more SAP SD enhancement relevant to pricing. So in this video, we'll discuss about how we are going to develop the new requirement routine in the pricing procedure. So first of all, let's understand the requirement from business. So in system, we have different pricing condition types are there. So basically, I'm referring to base price. So we have different pricing condition types are there, right? So surcharge, discount, freight, tax, right? But this functionality, this RTM, this requirement is specifically related to base price condition type. For example, PR double zero. So PR double zero is one of the base price condition type. So let me log into the system. So if I go to the table T685A. So in T685A table, we can see the list of pricing related condition types data. The V slash 06 transaction code controls, pricing condition type controls. So here we see that condition category. Okay, not this one. One second. Okay, let me execute this one. Yeah, it's a condition class. So in that condition class, I think it's a KOAID. Yeah, it's a condition class, right? So if it is a B means it is base price. You see here means it's a base price prices. So basically, this table will list out all the pricing related condition types for all the applications. We have different applications are available in SAP. Capital V is for sales and distribution. That means order and invoice pricing condition types will be identified with application V, and rest F means shipment cost is a logistics relevant pricing, and CQ is resource pricing, and M means purchasing, right? Like this, KE means profitability analysis. Okay, what we can do, let's focus on the application V. V is for sales and distribution pricing. So in sales and distribution base prices, we have these many base price conditions are available. Okay, in the standard system, we are using the base price as a PR double zero. Yeah, you see PR double zero, PR 01. These and all the base price condition types in system. Okay, so the requirement here from the business is the same thing only. So there are different base price condition types are available. For example, ZP01, ZP02, ZP03, etc. Okay, for everywhere the condition class is B only. Okay, the difference between these many base price is that the calculation type for ZP01 is based on volume, based on weight, something like this, right? So you see the calculation type in the table T685A. Sometimes it gross weight. Okay, it's a gross weight only. volume, and based on quantity. So different pricing condition types are there. All are B class only, and it has different calculation types are there. That is for volume, it is F. For weight, okay, it's a grass weight, right? For weight means it is D, then it's a D. And for quantity is based on C. Okay, so different customers has different requirements. That's why we have different pricing condition types are available in the system now. And moreover, this gross weight has an opportunity to enter it as a manually. So this ZB02 pricing condition type can also be entered as an manually condition type. Okay, so this is the KRECH field, KRECH. Let me put it as an like this, and this is KOAID. And coming to the manual flag, that is KMPRS. So it should be maintained as D. D means, so not D, it should be C. C means manual entry has a more priority. If I go to KMPRS, search this KMPRS, KMPRS. Okay, not here. One second. Yeah, it's a KMANU. Sorry, it's a KMANU. You see here, it is C. So let me mention as KMANU. It is C for this condition type, and it is for remaining two condition types. It is D. D means it's not possible to enter that condition type manually. It should be determined through either a calculation type routine or through condition records only. Not possible to enter manually. Right. So it should be D, and this is also D only. Like this, see, we have different base price condition types are available based on different customer requirements. Now the customer want to determine the certain condition type based on certain situations. The key parameter that we have used to determine which condition type for which scenarios. So we are using that one parameter, that is price list type. So if I go to the KNVV table, you see the price list type. So this is available in the shipping sales tab, I think, in that customer master level. You see price list type, that is PLTYP. This is available in the sales view, I think, or it might be in the billing document view in the customer master level. So basically, let me tell you what's price list type. So price list type will be used to identify a price list or condition types. For example, we have different condition types like surcharge, discount, freight, right? Tax condition types, right? So by using this price list type, we can segregate or group the similar kind of condition types. So by using this option only, we are going to write the logic in the requirement routine. So PLTYP is the price list type, and if I double click here, the table is T189. So T189, sorry, T189 F8. You see here we have different kind of price list types are available. There are five are available in the system. 01 for wholesale, 2 for retail, 31 for BGL 91 lower value, 32 for BGL 91 upper value, 33 for BAL 90. So we have five different kind of price list types are available in system. So for example, the customers who has price list type as 01, then ZP01 should be determined into order or invoice. If it is 02, then ZP02 determined. If it is 32, then ZP03 determined. So like this, based on the pricing list type, we are going to decide which pricing condition type should be determined. Right? Now, what we are going to do is that we are going to develop one new custom routine. Okay, so if you see the pricing procedure setup here, I'm going to v slash 08 transaction code. System is a little bit slow today. Please bear with me. Okay. So let me open the standard pricing procedure RVWA01. I'm selecting this one. Click on control data. Okay, you see here for that price, base price, standard price PR00, the routine 2 has been assigned here. Like this, we need to develop new requirement routine, and assign it to the relevant pricing condition type here. For example, if it's a PR00, assign it that routine, and if it's a PR002, then assign it the another routine. Or yeah, so what we're going to do to develop any kind of the routine, we should use the T code is that VOFM T code to develop so pricing routines. See, in my company, project, it's a requirement to determine different base prices based on different pricing condition types based on price list type. Okay, based on price list type, I'm determining the different pricing condition types. So in your project, you might have different criteria, different condition to follow to determine the pricing condition types. So the condition might be different in different projects, but the intention is same. There's no change in that. Okay, so T code to develop the pricing routine is Vivo FM. Now let me go to the Vivo FM transaction code, and in Vivo FM you see the menu requirements. Click this one, and here you see the pricing. Click this pricing. You see, we already have some several standard pricing routines are available now. So what I will do, I will go to the bottom. So here, what I will do, I will create one more customized pricing requirement routine. So I will make it a 601 and base price determination. Okay, mine. I will mention as applications V. We know, right? Our order invoice applications V only, and I will save this one. Okay, I am saving this one. Let me note down that. Okay, to here I will save this one. Okay, we have created the new requirement routine 601. So now what I will do, I will add the logic inside this routine. Select this routine. You see there's an option here to click the source text. Click this one. Okay, now here I can add the logic. So here I can add the required logic here. So what I will do, I will add size bar C equal to 0, sorry 4, it's 4 only. Then I will check whether KOMP. Remember this, the price list type will be available in the, okay, let me check that whether it's available in the header or item. One second, let me go to S11 KOMK structure. It is PLTYP. Okay, it's available in the header level. Okay, so it should be KOMK and PLTYP equal to 01, right? It should be 01. So in case of 01, this ZP, in case of 01, we should determine only the ZP01 only. That's it. If it is size of C equal to 4 and PLTYP, then we are going to call that standard routine 2, right? So perform KOBED underscore 002. Hmm. Spelling mistake. PRFORM. Yeah, everything is fine now. Fine. So like this, we should call the perform 002. Okay, fine. So I'm getting some error here. That's okay. Our intention here is to write the logic only. So this is the logic that we are going to add now. Okay, let me make it as an equal. Hmm. Okay. Okay, fine then. So like this, we should add the logic. The intention of adding this routine to say, right? So if I show you the pricing procedure, v slash 082, right? The intention of the requirement routine 2 is that the 2 will verify that whether the item categories pricing is relevant or not. In the item category, we have a one control, right? Pricing, whether that is item is relevant for pricing or not. If it's a B or X, if it's a B means it's in a free goods item, X means it's a normal price. So let me open the standard procedure. If I like this requirement routine 2, so I'm going to open this routine 2 source code. If we see here the code verifying whether the pricing is relevant or not for the item. PRSFD is BRX. It should be either BRX. That is the validation happening in the mm, routine number 2. So after checking whether PLTYP value is our required one, then we are calling this perform. We need to verify the standard things also, right? Whether that item category is determined is relevant for pricing or not, right? That validation happening in this by calling this perform only. I'm getting some error here. That's okay. That's not a problem now. But this is the code that we need to add now. Okay, so it is saying KOMP is unknown. That's okay. So it's showing unknown. That's okay, no problem. But this is the logic that we should add here. Or add EQ. Fine. Okay, let me check that. It's PLTYP only. Anyways, it's showing some error that I will check later. But this is the logic that we need to add to restrict and triggering that specific pricing condition type for certain situations. So in my case, I've added this check only, but you can add any other check also. Okay, fine then. So this is the development of the routine. Okay, let me add this code also here, the document. So this is how we should develop the new requirement routine. And as I said earlier in several times that whenever we develop any routines, right? In that cases, we should run the report. Let me tell you one more time that there is a one report available, right? RV80HGen. RV80HGen. So this report should be run whenever we move the TR either to quality or production. If you move the TR to quality, very first time run this report. Same thing in production also. If you release the TR to production, run this report. Only one time. So either you can run this manually going to SC38 and run this, or what we can do, one more way is that we should add this routine in the TR where we have saved the requirement routine. Let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to SC09 and this is the TR. I am going inside. Let me see where the routine is here. Yeah, so this is the routine I have developed, right? I'm going inside, go to change mode. So what I can do, I need to add that routine, the program. That is R3. First of all, the program is R3TR and XA. Okay, let me check this. What does it mean? XAPNR, I think. Let me confirm that. Okay, R3TR, XAPNR, XAPR. One second. It the XPRA. Okay, it's not here. Hmm. XPRA and RV80H gen. Okay, fine. You see here, I have forcefully added the report RV80H gen into this tier. And if you see that description after adding this object here, right? Program run after transport. Whenever the transports moves to any system, that time this program will run automatically in the background. So no need to run it manually. Manual intervention can be avoided. So save this. So remember this. This should be done in the transport where we have the routine captured changes done now. So if I go back and if you see here, so I have this RV80 gen, the same tier I have this routine 601 also. So remember this program RV80H gen. If you don't run this program or add this into the tier, then even though changes move to quality of production, it won't work. In order to make it work, we should run this report. It's a standard behavior, standard functionality that we should must follow. Hope this video will be very helpful to you friends. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks now.